थंबनेल देखकर और टाइटल देखकर तो आप समझ ही गए होंगे कि आज मैं आप लोगों को अपने कॉलेज का टूर कराने वाला हूं। तो फिलहाल अभी मैं चलकर अपने बस स्टॉप पे आ चुका हूं। हमारा कुछ ही देर में बस आने वाला है, उसके बाद फिर मैं आपको आगे की जर्नी कंटिन्यू कराता हूं। Finally, I was waiting for my college bus since a few minutes. So my college bus has come. I will show you. This is my college bus. You can see there is another my college bus. This is Stonehill International School campus. In this school, so many foreigner students is there. International school. After few minutes of journey, I reached my college campus. Then guys, my exam is over, so I will show you now my college campus tour. And he is my professor Yogesh sir. This is the principal office room, and this is the director's room, and there is attendance board, and this is lab room, and this is staff room, and this is computer lab. This is computer lab. There is another 3 classroom. So if the university exam will be conducted, they have to use this type of board. She is my math ma'am, so she teaches me very well. In every classroom there is projector, so presentation on everything. classroom. Mathematics faculty staff room. Drinking water can, everyone can drink water from here. And now I came back, I went from there, so I came back for all the campus, and this is another classroom. So everywhere is projector, camera. I will show you my library and boardroom. There is toilet, ladies toilet and gents toilet. This is the boardroom where all the faculty and director members will be in meeting. And this is another classroom for first year student. This area is under construction for the lift. This is my another classroom. There is library, but now library is closed. But I will show you from window. See. Books are here. So after taking the book, we have to study in this place. I can't go inside of this library because library is closed, and there is seminar hall. But library is closed and also seminar hall is closed, so can't go inside and can't show you all. कॉलेज कैंपस लोग तो आप लोगों ने देख ही लिया टूर. अब मैं आप लोगों को ग्राउंड फ्लोर लेके जाता हूँ, जहाँ मैं आपको केमिस्ट्री लैब, फिजिक्स लैब and all the computer labs and workshop I will show you. There is also classroom, but they hide from the parda. Another two electrical and consultancy lab is there, so I can't go inside of it because the exam is going on. And only I will show you from here. See, the new computer is there. And another, this is the sports room. This is chemistry lab and this is workshop. So I will not go inside, but I will show you. Is a busy in exam, so I will not disturb him in this area. The practical exam is going on. So now I came outside from the workshop. I will show you. This is the ground floor washroom, ladies toilet, gents toilet, and this is the physics lab classroom. And this is the first aid room, where student will not feel good and he is in fever or everything, so these people will be rest in this area. There is one bed and one medicine and everything is there. तो गाइज हम लोग जस्ट यहाँ पर एग्जाम देकर थोड़ा चिल मारते हुए हम दोस्तों लोग इस मैदान में ग्रास पे कॉलेज कैंपस के पीछे हमारी बिल्डिंग है। एंड ये ऑल्सो हमारा वन फ्रेंड फेलो कह सकते हैं, महेश एंड निरंजन एंड प्रिंस। I hope you guys visited my